right, welcome back. Now let's talk about how we can rewrite or write an expression, an exponential expression using the base e. Okay, so here it is right here. Okay, it says that let t and b be real numbers, where obviously, of course, because we're dealing with exponential functions, that b, which is the base, b is not equal to 0, and b is positive, right? So again, because we're taking the argument here, so b is an argument, says, okay, if that's the case, if that's true, then b to the t power is equivalent to e to the natural log of b times t. So these are two equivalent expressions. And the reason why we can say that is because if we have this, okay, this is just, let's look at this. All you're doing is using property of logs and exponents. So if I say this is natural log of b times t, well, all I can do is use the property of exponents, right? And say, well, this is the same as what? E to the natural log of b raised to the t power, right? Just using the power property, okay? So a multiplication of powers is just the same as a power raised to a power, okay? And then, of course, inside here, right? This is just an exponential and a log of the same base, okay? Which just what? Brings the exponent out. And so this becomes b to the t. And that's it. So now we'll do an example of how we can use this to help solve problems.